In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Terapeak for eBay. This guide will take you through the essential steps to navigate the research tool and analyze market data, enabling you to make informed decisions for your eBay listings. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, locate the research tools section from the main navigation menu. Click on product research to access the analytics features of Terapeak. Here you will find a search bar where you can enter keywords related to the item you wish to analyze. After entering your keywords, select the appropriate region and time range for the results you want to view. It is important to wait for the data to load completely before proceeding, as this ensures you have the most accurate information. After the data has loaded, you will be directed to the results page. On this page, take time to review the average selling price, demand level, and sales trends for the products matching your search criteria. Compare the details of successful listings with those that have not sold. Pay close attention to the titles and pricing strategies used by top sellers in your category. This analysis will help you identify peak selling periods for the product and evaluate the competition volume in the market. Once you have gathered and analyzed the market data, it's time to apply the insights to your own listings. Begin by adjusting your listing strategy based on the research results. Set a competitive price that aligns with the average selling price you found during your analysis. Incorporate high-performing keywords identified earlier into your title to enhance visibility. Additionally, consider listing your item during peak demand times to increase the chances of a sale. Regularly check the research data for new products and trends to stay ahead in the market. Continuously repeating this analysis will allow you to refine your approach and adapt to changing market conditions. By staying informed with the latest data from Terapeak, you can make strategic decisions that enhance your selling performance on eBay. Ensure that you are consistently analyzing your product offerings and adjusting your strategies accordingly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.